Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Shiksha the Easy Learning. Class 2 English CBSE NCERT based book Marigold Unit 1 First Day at School. First Day at School. Let us recite the poem. I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. I wonder if my teacher will look like mom or gran. I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. By Eileen Fisher. The poet of the poem is Fisher. Fisher has described himself as a boy in this poem. And the boy goes to school for the very first day. And while going to school, there are a lot of curiosities, there are a lot of questions going in his mind regarding school. And the poem is about all those his curiosities. The poem is about all his questions while he is going to school. The first para, I wonder if my drawing will be as good as theirs. Wonder, that means ashariya or curiosity. The boy wonders, the boy have lots of curiosity about his drawings. Will his drawings will be as good as other students in school? The boy wonders. वो सोचता है, बच्चा सोचता है that क्या उसकी ड्राइंग स्कूल में बाकी बच्चों की तरह उतनी ही अच्छी होगी. This is the first question comes to his mind. He wonders that if his drawing will be as good as other students. Second para, I wonder if they will like me or just be full of stares. In the second para, the boy thinks that will the student in school like me or not? The boy thinks if the other students in school, they will like me or they will take me as a stranger. So the second para is given, I wonder if they will like me. They means the other students in school. Or just be full of stares. Stares means घूरना, किसी की और continuously देखना. अभी सेकंड पैरा में द चाइल्ड, वो बच्चा ये सोच रहा है बाकी बच्चे स्कूल में उसे पसंद करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे, उसे दोस्त मानेंगे या फिर उसे एक स्ट्रेंजर की ओर से देखेंगे. थर्ड पैरा, I wonder if my teacher will look like our mom or gran. In the third para, the child, the boy, wonders. He thinks about his teacher now. What he thinks about his teacher? He thinks if his teacher will like his mom or gran. Gran means grandmother here. So he thinks, third para में बच्चा ये सोचता है about his teacher कि उसका जो टीचर होगा, द टीचर विल, क्या वो उसकी मम्मी की तरह होगी या उसकी दादी माँ की तरह होगी, बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी फर्स्ट डे ऑफ स्कूल. सो दीज आर द क्यूरियोसिटीज गोइंग ऑन इन हिज माइंड. The fourth para, I wonder if my puppy will wonder where I am. Now he recalls about his puppy. एक छोटा सा डॉग का बेबी है, वी कॉल इट पपी. सो उसके पास एक पपी है एंड वो अभी उसके बारे में सोचता है, बच्चा उसके बारे में सोचता है. He wonders that his puppy will wonder where I am. His puppy will search for him. उसका puppy उसे ढूंढ रहा होगा. So these are the curiosities of questions going on in his mind while he is going to school for the very first day. His curiosity about his drawings will be liked by others or not, or will be as good as other students or not. He also wonders other students will like him or not, or will they take him as a stranger. He thinks about his teacher. Will his teacher look like his mom or granny, or will be something different? At last he recalls about his puppy. He is wondering about his puppy by thinking that his puppy might wonder about him, where he has gone today. Let us come to the new words. Wonder, Ashwarya, drawing, it's an art you do. Stairs, किसी की ओर घूरना. Gran, it's a grandmother. Puppy, that's a dog baby. Now let us discuss the questions. What does the child in the poem think about his drawing? It's pretty simple. The child in the poem thinks about his drawing if his drawing will be as good as others' students. Number 2, what does the child wonder about his teacher? The child wonders about his teacher if his teacher will look like his mom or granny or grandmother. Number 3, do you think the child would like to carry his puppy to school? What do you think? You can write in the comment section. That's all. If you have liked my video, please do like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment before you leave. We'll meet with a new video very soon. Thank you for watching. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.